Hi viewers, in this video I will be giving you a brief introduction of the macros option available in Microsoft Excel. So macros can be recorded from here. So under view tab you have the macros here, and the drop down menu you can see that record macro option available here. If you have already recorded a macro, you can view those macros in the view macros option. So what does a macro mean? What it does actually is it records the process you are entering in the Microsoft Excel once you click that record macro option until you select the stop recording option. So it records the process what you are doing in between the time of starting the recording and stopping the recording, and then it repeats that process whenever you activate that macro. So let us see with an example. Go to macros and then start record macro. This record macro option will also be available in developer tab, and here record macro. The developer tab will be hidden, so for unhiding it you have to go to file, options, customize ribbon, and this tick will not be there, so you have to give a tick here and then give OK to see the developer tab. So you can also start recording macro from here. So I will give start recording. You have to assign a name that should start with a letter. It should not be started with a number or underscore or a space. A space is not allowed in a macro name, so you have to give some number, cell underscore a1, like that. So no space can be used. Instead of space you can use an underscore. You can assign shortcut. You may assign shortcut or may not. It is up to your wish. But if you are assigning some shortcut key for a macro, ensure that it is not already predefined in Excel. Say Control Shift 1 is predefined for number format, Control Shift 2 is for time, Control Shift 3 is for date, Control Shift 4 is for currency, Control Shift 5 is for percentage, like that. It should not be predefined in Excel. So you have to give something new that is for the Excel, and you can give some description here. This description just simply explains what this macro does. It say I will type change cell A1 value, like that. This is just for your understanding. It will not affect the recording process actually. Whether you give a description or not, it is not a matter for recording. And then give OK. Now the Excel would have started recording your screen. That means the movements in your screen. You can see the symbol here after ready, that is the stop symbol. By clicking this you can stop the macro, and plus you click that click this button, the macro will not be stopped, or you can stop recording from developer tab or even in the view tab. So stop recording button will be available. So if this button is not available, only record macros buttons are available, then it means the Excel has not started recording macro yet. So I will click this A1 cell and press F2, or you can even type it normally, and I will give a value 56 and I will give enter. So this is what I have to do whenever I activate a macro. Go to cell A1 and then change 56, change it to 56. Now I will stop the macro here. So I have stopped the macro from the thing available, stop button available here. You can also stop, as I said, from here. So since record macro button is available, the macro recording is already completed. You can view that macro from list of macros here, or from the view tab also, view macros. You can see that cell A1 is my macro. So the description of the macro is change cell A1 value. So what does it do? See, let us take, I have changed this number to 89, and then I am going to view macros and then activating or run this macro here. So you can see that the cell A1 value is changed. So see carefully. I will do it once again. So I am changing this to 87 and then going to view tab. I am clicking anywhere, it is not a problem. Then view macros, cell A1. Had I assigned a shortcut, I would have used that. Since I didn't assign any shortcut, I am going to view macro and giving the macro to selecting the macro and selecting run to operate. So I will select run, and you can see that the value has changed to 56. So this is a basic of the macros, and there are many options available in macros itself. An advanced form of macro or creating a code is called VBA, Visual Basics for Applications. It is far advanced than the macros by itself. So we will be seeing that one by one in the upcoming videos in this channel. So subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and get Excelified. Thank you.